Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Cake. So after the GTR 2 and the GTS 2, Amazfit has launched one more smartwatch and it's the GTS 2 Mini. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and show you the features of this smartwatch. Amazfit GTS 2 Mini is available to purchase for Rs 6,999 and this smartwatch is available in two colors, black and pink, and the one we have here is the pink variant. Now let's show you the unboxing experience. So in the front we have the picture of the smartwatch along with the model name GTS 2 Mini. And here at this side we can see some features such as slim and light design, always on display, SpO2 monitoring, 70 plus sports mode, female cycle tracking, 24 hours heart rate monitoring, sleep monitoring, and this smartwatch offers 14 days of battery backup. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So here on the top we have the user manual and it has a detailed information about the features of this smartwatch. And then here we have the smartwatch itself. My first impression about this smartwatch that it looks very similar to the first variant of the GTS but slightly lightweight. We will look at it in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get the charging cable and it's a magnetic cable which you need to attach at the back of the watch. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the smartwatch closely. Amazfit GTS 2 Mini is a budget variant of the GTS 2 which was launched earlier at Rs 12,999. Now talking about the GTS 2 Mini, looking at the design and build quality, first of all the smartwatch is lightweight and it looks very slim as well. The weight of the watch is only 19.5 grams without these straps and the thickness is approximately 9 millimeters. The quality of the smartwatch feels very good and the aluminum alloy stainless steel body looks also premium. You get these chamfered edges which give this watch a good look like the original GTS. Talking about the display, you get the 1.55 inches AMOLED display which offers a high 450 nits brightness. The resolution of the display is 354 by 306 pixels. Now looking at the back of the smartwatch, we have the heart rate sensor and the other sensors which can perform continuous heart rate monitoring as well as SpO2 monitoring. And then we have the charging pins at the back. You also have a mic by which you can use the online voice assistant. Now talking about these straps, the quality of the straps as usual very good and the TPU strap which you get with this smartwatch also feels comfortable. And yes, you can replace them easily as per your choice. Now let's turn on the smartwatch and pair it with our phone. So for pairing, you would need the companion app Zepp which is available for both Android and iOS. And here you need to go to the add device section and scan the QR code and wait for the watch to show the notification. And that's it, the watch is now paired with our phone. Now let me quickly show you the features. So here we have the watch face and you can change the watch face upon long pressing on the screen. And here we have the available watch faces. And guys, you can add more watch faces from the companion app. So like the previous Amazfit smartwatch, you get the touch gestures and this physical button here to go back to the previous menu. Swiping down from the top shows you the quick settings which includes DND, brightness and the settings. And for the brightness, this smartwatch also supports auto brightness. Now coming to the watch face, if you swipe left or right here, it shows you the quick apps and some of them are heart rate, SpO2 monitoring, weather, music control, etc. And guys, you can also customize this list from the app as well. To see the notifications history, you need to swipe up from the bottom of the screen. And to access the main menu, you need to single press the button on the side. You also have a long press quick launch settings which is right now set to workout modes. So here in the menu, first we have the activity goal which shows you your current fitness data which includes step count, calories burned and the distance traveled. And then we have the PAI which shows you a score based on your fitness activities. After that we have the heart rate, and guys, this smartwatch supports continuous heart rate monitoring and also the heart rate detection is fast and very accurate. After that we have the sleep data which will show you the last night's sleep details. And then we have the workout menu. Here you have the list of workout modes available which you can also customize from the more menu. You get 70 plus workout modes in this smartwatch which is also very good. This smartwatch comes with an inbuilt GPS so you can use it for running or cycling without the smartphone. And it is also 5 ATM waterproof so you can use it for swimming as well. Now coming back to the menu, then we have the workout history, SpO2 monitoring which shows you the current blood oxygen level in your body. And guys, I think these days this option is must on a smartwatch. Then in the menu we have the stress measurement which shows you how stressed you are. And then we have the breathing which will help you to calm yourself down with some breathing exercise. After that we have the cycle tracking for females, and then we have the alarm, and after that we have the settings. And here you can change the watch face, enable the always on display, which is available in the analog and the digital mode. After that you have the auto screen off time, screen lock, and also features like raise to wake and light up on notification. Then lastly we have the more menu, where you have things like weather, music control, by which you can control the music on your phone. Then we have the stopwatch, a Pomodoro tracker to improve your focus while working. Then we have the world clock, compass with air pressure and the altitude information. And then we have the usual find phone option and a camera remote, which also works pretty good with the iOS devices. So that's all the features we have on this smartwatch. Now let's look at the app. The app Zepp comes with a very clean and a neat user interface. And here on the home page you have the fitness data, which includes step count, heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep data, and so on. You can go to the settings of the smartwatch by going to the profile page. And here we have the GT S2 Mini. On the top you have the remaining battery, and then we have the watch face store, where you have 50 plus watch faces for the GT S2 Mini. And then we have the notification and reminders. And here you can choose the apps for which you want the notification on your smartwatch. Talking about the notifications, here is how you get the call alert. And in this smartwatch, you don't have the speaker, so you can't take the call from it. And guys, that is the main difference between the GT S2 and the GT S2 Mini. And here is how you get the message notification, which doesn't support quick replies, and that is really disappointing. Now coming back to the settings, then you have the usual options such as health monitoring, from where you can enable the continuous heart rate monitoring and so on. After that you have the watch settings and the app list management, which allows you to customize the app list on your smartwatch. So guys, overall the Amazfit GT S2 Mini is a good looking smartwatch with amazing build quality. I like how comfortable it is, and it's really lightweight. This design is my favorite, as it is exactly like the original GTS. Touch is very responsive, and there are no lags while going through the different menus. You're getting almost all the features which you need from a smartwatch, but missing the call function. The screen performance is really good, and the fitness data is quite accurate when we tested it along with other smartwatches. And lastly, the battery backup is very good, and this smartwatch can easily give you the battery backup of 10 days with moderate usage. The only thing which is not working here in India is the Alexa voice assistant, and even though this smartwatch has a mic, I couldn't figure out how to use it. Nonetheless, if you're looking for a good looking smartwatch to wear daily and the calling functions are not your requirement, then you can definitely check out this newly launched Amazfit GT S2 Mini. This smartwatch is available on Amazon for Rs 6,999. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the Amazfit GT S2 Mini smartwatch. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us your favorite feature of this smartwatch in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.